So in this section, I'll show you how to use a catalog and then dropship exactly format. Now, most people actually have those places, they buy the membership, they get a bunch of products from them and start listing it, and they never make any money because all the money they actually do is they spend a bunch of money, membership fees, they go into those particular locations and all the products are actually the same. Now you're competing with thousands of different people who are members of the same exact site and you're selling the same exact products on eBay. That's not the way you make money. The way for you to make money is to go find different catalogs and you replicate the system I'm showing you right now. So this is one catalog I find. I like this particular catalog because it has exclusive and interesting looking products. The next thing you want to do in it, you want to look in it and find some products that are either very discounted or unique and rare and look like you can sell them for a lot more money. So first of all, let's check this one out. This one looks like a goalie knife actually. This is something that is selling for around $5 here. So if you actually buy something like this and you resell it for, let's say, $12, you'll be making pretty good cash, especially if you sell like 10 or 20 of those every single month. So for you to be successful at it, the next thing you want to do is have a picture of this particular product, and this picture cannot be copied from this catalog. So you want to go into Google. Let's copy and paste it. So we'll copy and paste the same exact item. We're going to be seeing if we find any stock images of the same exact product that we can actually use. Another thing you want to do is to make sure you're using the search tools. And now we're using the size. We're going for the medium. And here we go. We found some whole medium. And we actually found the source of this actual product actually, which is on Alibaba.com. So there was actually a guide here about that. So sometimes you actually are going to able to find a source of the product that you're selling in another location that could be potentially a lot cheaper. So we have a stock picture of this particular product. Now we have a location that we found this product selling at. So the next thing that your job is to do is to actually call them up, find out how many items they have on inventory, and then if they have, let's say, 12, 15 of them, that's not going to get sold pretty quick. So you're pretty safe at taking the product image from here, from Google. You're pretty safe at using the product image here from Google itself. Then you'll be using the description right here, and you change the words a little bit around so nobody can find the same specific item where you're actually getting it from. Then you use the description about as well, and you make it a little bit more fancy. You hike up the price to something more reasonable for you to do business with, which is around $12. You put it up there, and then if you get a few sales, that's pretty good. And after a while, if you do get a lot of sales of the same exact product, I would definitely want to take one of those items, ship it to your place, take a few even nicer pictures and list it up. So now you even have one step higher now, because now you have the backup knife in case it gets out of stock. Two, you can use your own pictures of the same exact product, and you can take even fancier pictures, and it's definitely is going to sell a lot better. But if you want to stick it exactly to drop shipping, you don't have to do this. But that's what I like to do a lot more, because I like to get the product on hand. So I have at least one product, I can take a few pictures of it, and I have a better picture than the stock image itself, and I put it right back on eBay, and I can make a lot more money in the future. So this is something for you to keep in mind as the next logical step after you'll be actually posting a few of those products. Another thing I want you to do is to make sure you have a variety of products on this particular site. So if you like how this particular site you're doing business with, you don't get just one item. You want to list at least 5 or 6 of them and do the same exact process I told you. Just copy down. You're going to have a niche. Now we have at least 5 or 6 knives that will be posting up there. as your niche, which is going to be selling different kind of knives, selling some kind of outdoor products, and all you're using it from here. Here's another. This is a really awesome item, by the way. This is those can openers, and this is selling for 69 cents. Now, this is very important for people who go outdoors. They really need a can opener. People who like to survive in the wild and stuff like that, that's the number one thing they need. And some people are willing to pay $5 for this particular item. So in fact, LL Bean sells 2 of those for $5.99. And here we have them at 69 cents. So definitely, if you have this as an add-on product that you'll be selling with the knives. So let's say you're going to give them a tactical gear set, which you get them the knife, you get them the can opener, add a little bit more value to the product you're selling. So now we have the can opener, we have the knife, we have something else, and we're selling it as a bundle, as a drop shipper. So now not only you're doing drop shipping, you're also doing a bundle drop shipping, which is quite really cool. It's a little bit different concept than just drop shipping one product. You're giving them a few items, and then they think they get a pretty good bargain here because they get 3 or 4 different cool items all combined for one low price. So yeah, that's actually the superior way to do this. Just make sure that inventory is always on hand.